Craftsman 31 or 1131, whatever you want to call this. 31-inch auger housing. I have no idea what year this thing is. I got it for a screaming deal. Just middle of September right now, Central Alberta. First time owning a snowblower. So just a couple of things on this. It does have an electric start, just 120. Not 12 volt, obviously. There's no battery. I think something dropped on this, maybe. This side's got a little lever block right there and pins. This one's no lever block and a bolt. Shaky, and I don't know if you can see this or not. That is hanging on by a thread. That's this. The auger lever. You pull this bad boy down, it initiates the auger. Anyway, that and the light has been broken. But anyway, luckily I got another light laying around. I'm going to get it all fixed up. Replace this wire with something else. Make this not do that. Change the oil. Air up the tires. Oh, air down the tires, I suppose. And yeah, we'll keep you posted, guys. Let you know if I can get it running. Alright, so I just made my own linkage. It was fairly simple. Beamed over a piece of just metal I had laying around, scrap bar steel. Threw a washer on and a nut in there actually. There's a spring cover. Bent a little zigzag in there. This thing was not repairable. Whatever, made my own. I'm gonna put it all back together. This handle needs love. I'm gonna figure out how to make it work properly. Alright everybody, so I've got this lever's as good as it's gonna get. Couple of spacers in there. On the bottom. New bar. It was a cable like this, and now it's just a metal bar. Bent it over there, works pretty darn good. Now, I have mounted a new light. Kind of Jimmy rigged it on there, I guess you could say. Needed a spacer, hence the giant nut. Now this one that was on there was broken. I'm going to take apart, take the wires off, splice them onto this guy. And the next step is fire it up, run it for a minute, warm it up, drain the oil, change the oil, and it'll be ready to go. Looks pretty cool too. Alright, we'll try and fire this thing up for the first time. Don't feel like pull starting it. Okay, so here we go. Power, prime it a couple times, it's choked, a little bit of gas. Up. That's good. Cool, let's see if she works. A little bit more gas. Take the choke off, maybe. it's old gas and I gotta check the spark plug, but it's running. And moving. Sweet. Lights working. That thing's holding up. Definitely. Auger's turning. Nice. So just pop the cap off. That looks like clean oil, doesn't it? We'll drain all this stuff out. It's nice and warm. So get all the crud out. Ugh. Decided if we're going to put synthetic or regular old stock in here. Put synthetic, could open a couple cans of worms, but if everything's okay, should be good. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're running royal purple. Just gonna fill it up. It says it takes 0.7 liters ish, so that just so happens that's about what I got left in this royal purple jug. 530. Woohoo! Yeah, I'm gonna fill her up and she's done. Done. Cap's back on. Everything's fixed up. Hopefully it snows like crazy so I can put her to work. I'll make a video with snow on the ground. Cheers.